What is up, Lindsay? Good morning. It's currently it's currently 5:42 in the morning. I'm editing a video so that I can go up tomorrow. Well, it's basically edited. I'm just watching it over so that way it can go up tomorrow. Yeah, we're just chilling for like the next hour. It's nice out here. I went and had breakfast this morning. I had a ham and cheese omelet and pineapple yogurt. And now this coffee. What is up, gang? So I just got to class not that long ago. We had to stay after class, so I got back about 30 minutes ago. I went and picked up my package, and I'm gonna show you guys what we have in here. So in here they have some caps, some instructions, and then the hair. This is in a length 14. This is the length that I always get my hair. It's like curly. It smells kind of off just a tad bit, but what do you expect with like hair? Anyway, so I think I'm gonna just straighten it. Put that up there. I also got some claw clips so that I can put the hair up in braids. And here I got stuff for my wig because I don't have any wig stuff here. So in here it comes with wig caps. So I have more wig caps. A lace tint mousse, lace glue remover. I have the lace glue, a band to lay the wig down with, a edge brush, a razor for the lace, which I'm actually going to use this to do my eyebrows with, too. A pair of tweezers so I can pluck the lace, and then we've got some edge control, which I don't need, I already have. And then I have a wax stick to lay down the hair. And then I also got lash glue because I'm gonna put lashes on too. And then I got a little jewelry box because I have jewelry that is currently sitting in my bathroom, so got a little jewelry box. And then I got nose rings, which actually I'm gonna put one in and then put the rest of them in my jewelry box. Got lashes because I'm gonna put some of them on properly, like from here down, because I don't like long lashes. And yeah, I'm gonna film. Okay, so we just came back from chow. I got food and we're gonna sit in here and study. We have a block test tomorrow. We have a test tomorrow, so we're gonna sit in here and study. I got food. Let me show you what it looks like. And I got snacks. Okay, so in here I got strawberry kiwi water and Sprite, and then I got chicken and rice, and then I have Doritos, Slim Jims, and peanut butter cookies. And I also got some utensils. I was gonna get the shrimp gumbo, but it's just a mess. So I didn't end up with that, which is so sad. Sanchez is supposed to be meeting me in here. We're supposed to be studying. Said he was gonna go get something and come back. So what is up, Langs gang? I look crazy because today has been so rough. Today has been rough. I almost, we're not gonna talk about it. So we ended up taking a test. I passed. We started a new lesson. I don't know. I thought my job was gonna be easy, but it's not. It's hard, man. It's a lot. It's a lot. That's all I can say. I'm still in my OCPs because I haven't changed it. I think I'm gonna just hop in the shower, wash my hair, blow dry it. Let me know. So I think I'm gonna wash it, blow dry it, put my wig on, and my eyelashes, and yeah. To describe the way we both connected when you had a baby, and then get ready for dinner because I think we're gonna do a group dinner how we usually do. Yeah. Oh, okay. Good morning, Lindsay. So currently, I was almost late to PT this morning. I woke up with like 5 minutes to no. I woke up with like 10 minutes to spare. I woke up at 4:50. I had to be downstairs at 5 o'clock. That's why I look so crazy right now because I was gonna be there for PT. But do y'all want to know what's crazy to me is that I am gonna be leaving here really soon. Like, it's crazy that I'm gonna be leaving here soon. I'm gonna be going to the other side of the United States of America. Well, from my hometown, it'll be all the way on the other side of the United States. Also, today's Wednesday. I really didn't vlog that much yesterday because I didn't do anything. Came home, did nothing, then did more of nothing. Literally, that was it. This waffle is literally my favorite thing ever. I talk about it all the time because it's my favorite. Do you guys remember when I told you that my job was hard? I just failed another freaking test, bro. Yo, my job is so hard. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. feel like I need to actually like sit down, go over all the notes, and do some classwork and just try to. And it's not like I can go on YouTube and look up how to do this. No. You guys, I got a package. Let's open it. Oh wow, it's a sweater that I ordered the other day. Got some shoes. Oh, these are my boots. I'm gonna try these on for you guys later. And then I also have my high heels. I'm gonna try on for you guys later. And that's it. So I have to get ready to go to class. We have to be in class early today because we have to get stuff done. We only have 4 days until we graduate. Well, 5 days. I have burger in my nose, that's gross. But yeah, this week has been really uneventful. I do the same thing every single week. Get dressed, go to class, come back. I'm going to the commissary today because I need to get coffee creamer. I have 0 coffee creamer. And I need to have my coffee in the morning. But I'm gonna get like a little container of coffee creamer because I have this weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then I go on Exodus, and then I'll be gone for a while. And then when I come back, I'll need to pack all my stuff because I'm leaving, which is so crazy to me. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking to y'all because I need to get dressed. And then once I get dressed, we'll continue this conversation. Sounds like a plan? Okay, so I'm ready now. I'm actually gonna open my blinds because usually I like to have them open when I come home. Get some nice sunlight in here. Okay, now we can go. You guys, school has been so stressful. So stressful. Yeah, I guess let's go downstairs now. Hey guys, what's up? Currently I'm on my way to the BX. Boy, do I have a story to tell you. So I guess I can tell you while I'm walking here. I got washed back, so that means I have to do the current block that we're doing over again. Yay me. I was gonna try to make it to the big BX to get a shuttle ticket to get on the shuttle to come back to base, but I'm not gonna make it on time, so I'm just gonna have to fill out an appointment slip and go during sometime on Monday. Yeah, I'm stressed. The only thing I got from the store was coffee creamer and a bag of Swedish fish. Now I'm going back to my dorm room. No, I'm literally starving. I'm so glad that it's finally the weekend. Let me show you guys my fit because I look cute. Let me show y'all my fit. My shoes are a little bit too big, but it's okay. This sweater is from the BX. These jeans I brought with me from home to basic. And then these shoes I actually just got in the mail. They're from Shein. They're like a little bit too big, but it's okay. I look cute.
I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow